Hiya, I'm here at the bar. My pronouns are they, them. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is literally just going to be me typing because a lot of my videos I use to motivate myself and others to write more. You can find me over on Instagram if you want to find out more. But for now, we're gonna get into doing some writing. I'm just going to write for, 15 minutes or so on camera, and I'll see you guys at the end of that. I thought I would read to you a couple of the words that I wrote when I was having this typing session. So this is a poem I wrote in March of 2024. I see the news, the horror of our world, and all I can do is cry. A teenager dies for nothing more than daring to say who they were. A city is leveled under the bombing of their country. That is home to the children that starve. And I hold it all in my chest, that small place where my heart sits, and I cry, there is nothing more. How do I express this anguish? How do I live through these horrors? I am dying, we are all dying. It is the curse of the living. Breathe in, breathe out, that is all we can do, that is all we can do. But it isn't enough, it is never enough. So as I said, that was just something that I wrote during this writing session. I often feel that way, that like there's nothing to do except like be witness to things that are happening in the world, and it can be horrifying and awful and just so much to hold within yourself. And I found that in having a community, in holding those things with other people, I don't have to be alone in that feeling. I don't have to feel so depressed and sad when there's nothing that I can do except for send off to politicians and to try and do better. And that's what it is, doing better. Because you have to do better today than you did yesterday. And you have to do better tomorrow than you did today. And you aren't going to be perfect. You aren't going to be able to do everything all the time. But you are going to be able to say something, to do something. Inaction is still an action. And so if all you can do is post on social media, if all you can do is send letters to your politicians, if all you can do is ask other people to share and be witness to those things that you care about, that might be all that you can do. But it has to be enough, because otherwise you'll drown in that sorrow, you'll drown in that pain. So this is just me asking you to be witness to those things. If you find me on Instagram, I'm Hera the Bard over there, and you'll see in my stories that almost every single day I post something about what's happening in Gaza, what's happening in the Congo, what's happening all across the world. And that's just me asking you to bear witness. Just spending a moment to bear witness to these things, and to think about what you're doing with your energy and your time, and send off to your representatives if you're able to. If you haven't already, do something, because like I said, inaction is still action. March 2024. The day will come, the day will come, the day will come, the day will come, and you will keep seeing the sun rise. Thank you for watching today's video. It was just a super simple way for me to show what I do during the day. And again, this has only been like 15 minutes of a video, but I think it's still important to show that like you can get stuff done in 15 minutes. You can still write in 15 minutes. So hopefully you sat down with this video and watched it and wrote alongside me, because that's the goal, is to write more. And I hope it was helpful. So you can find my books over on my Linktree in the description down below. I hope that you get something out of this. I've been here at the bar. My pronouns are they, them, and thanks for joining. Bye.